Hi everybody, how are you? Earlier in my live, I was saying that I ordered this book. This is my birthday present for Scott. And I went for a walk and came back, and there it was a box on my porch. And guess what? It's probably been there since about 1 o'clock this afternoon. That's how observant I am on my front porch. But I think I heard she did this in 2017. I've never seen it. And the only reason I knew about it is because last week Jagos came out with a video that if you ordered $50 or more, they had so many books with her signature in and they were giving them away. Well, I wasn't taking a chance. I didn't know what to do with my birthday money from Scott that he gave me. So about this. It's the Delusion Art Journal. It's got this nice soft cover. It's really cool. It's back cover. So we're going to look through it. So I got 546 of 2000. Somebody literally sat there and did that. That's crazy because it's not printed. It's wrote in. You can see the little white mark here. Too bad it wasn't signed. That would have been just awesome. A surprise. Diane Riley would have been so cool. That's right, because I already have her signature. It says this book is dedicated to my mom and dad. Every day I become a little bit more like the both of you, and I couldn't be more proud. Night, night. God bless. So, all the art featured in this book are pages from my favorite ledger journals, which became the inspiration for my delusion line. Caution. This is me. This is who I am, and I'm proud. And that's Diane. Caution. I love how she just does. This is. I have this stamp. Just love how she does things. Trying to tame a free spirit is like telling the wind to stop blowing. I love the inspiration on the other sayings on the other side. So far, I'm loving it. Don't be angry with people who don't have the capacity to change. She lives in her own little fairy tale. See, this is where I struggle. I have a body, and if I put a head on it, or I think I need to put a head in it, she just puts a butterfly on it, and it's cool. So I have to get out of that little box I'm in when it comes to stuff like that. Can you guys see? Because it's shiny. I know. Oops. Glare. Let's see if I can hold. Oh, there we go. So that's what it looks like. So I will raise this. Hang on. I will raise my book, or my camera, and I will raise my book as I go through it. It ain't such glare. A strong woman knows she has strength enough to live for the journey, but a woman of strength knows it is in the journey where she will become strong. That is so cool. Love her art. Sometimes opening your eyes may be the most painful thing you'll ever have to do. No more pulling my strings. You were never created to live depressed, defeated, guilty, condemned, ashamed, unworthy. You were created to be victorious. So cool. And it may be one hell of a year. I have worn the seasons under my sleeve and on my thighs, running down my cheeks. This is what surviving looks like, my dear. Cool. Our feels to become what you call normal. Exactly. Just when you thought you knew who I was. Hee hee hee. See, I got picked on in school. They'd say, you aren't normal. My grandpa used to say, and what is normal? And I'd be like, what? He goes, what is normal? There is nobody normal. We're all different for a reason. Life tip, when nothing goes right, go to bed. Oh, yeah, I can feel that. There have been a lot of pages in this. Ooh, look at this. God, that's so cool. Oh, man, it's awesome. In my head. And it's got all letters. And it probably says something. Perfect. Journal. Passion. Oh, that's so cool. A woman who dreams doesn't follow the crown. She is just herself. I love how she can do the lettering. I suck at lettering. Be selective in your battles. Sometimes peace is better than being right. Look at that. So it makes me want to know if she took that out of a magazine and then did all this. And I guarantee she probably did. Because she did start out in ways like that where she'd rip out of magazines and just do things to it. So, and it could be. Because this looks like an image, and then she kind of added to it, doodled to it, because she's really good at doodling. When it's all over, you'll remember for what you did, not for what you said you were going to do. What will Mrs. Goblin say? Because them are Tim's. I betcha. Everyone needs someone who can handle their darkest side. Once you accept the fact that you're not perfect, then you develop some confidence. Look at that. So cool. So cool. Alright. Don't wait for the perfect moment to take the moment and make it perfect. Look at how she can write. You'd have to sit there and real concentrate to see what it says. That's what's so unique about her writing. Nothing haunts us like the things we don't say. I gotta get back into journaling. I feel like I've been out of the loop. Everything you are running away from is in your head. It's just me and then little scenes out of magazines. Oh, I like that. Oops, I skipped a page. Hang on. I'm skipping a page. There we go. I make most of all that comes, and at least that all goes. This is so cool. And boom. Hey, I've done this. With the houses across the bottom. And the trees. And the little kitty cat. I can't remember her cat's name at the moment. It just was there and gone. Boof. Don't tell me the sky's the limit when there are footprints on the moon. Art washes away from the soul the dust of everyday life. True religion. As lost as Alice, as mad as Hatter. Please drive carefully through our village. I am much nicer if you don't get to know me. All it takes is a beautiful fake smile to hide an injured soul, and they will never notice how broken you really are. Who are you calling empty? You're not crazy. You're just waking up. She listened to her heart above the other voices. Cat whispers are so sensitive they can find their way through the nervous cracks of a broken heart. I have this. Children are the rainbow of life, grandchildren are the pot of gold. Oh, I like that one. It's like with the... Oh, look at this. Wow. It's like they call coffee table books, you know? I had to let go of who I was to become who I am. Strong women will survive no matter what. Know your limitations and deny them. Silence a woman's loudest cry. If she is speechless, her heart is too tired for words. Art should be comforted, disturbed, and disturbed, and disturbed is to the comfortable. I messed up reading that one. This isn't about anybody else. You have got to do this for you. Live for you, honor you. Never lose sight of that. Forgiveness is not something we do for other people. We do it for ourselves to heal and move on. Oh boy, look at that one. Always look both ways before crossing a woman. Awesome. Attract what you expect, reflect on what you desire, become what you respect, mirror what you admire. Oh my God, that's a deep saying. When I had all the answers, the question changed. Remember that everything you worry about doesn't matter a jot in the grand scheme of things. Oh wow. I never thought of doing that. Feet, the house, the face, and the houses coming out. Oh my God. Such an inspiration right now. I'm inspired, man. We're all we're all crocked souls trying to stay up straight. And always sure it's nice to be important, but it's more important to be nice. Never too proud to be frozen peas. See, I never thought it like taking an image like this, and then I want images of hers or her background and add in like that. See? It's time to be kind to yourself. You've been carrying that heavy baggage for too long. Set it down and let yourself breathe again. Cool. Like Tim's fingers. So cool. I still remember the day I prayed for everything I have now. Oh, so cool. Eyes are never quiet. Day after day I poured myself into you, and now I am the one left empty. Oops, I hope you guys can see these. I'll show this again on a live. Maybe I won't such a glare. What do we do for ourselves dies with us. What we do for others remains immortal. Sometimes the hardest thing and the right things are the same. Oh wow, look at that. That's just awesome. That's awesome. I love it, I love it, I love it. And here we go. Maybe some women aren't meant to be tame. Maybe they just need to run free until they find someone just as wild to run with them. And there she is. Yeah. Last but least, the back cover in 2017, Diane Rivalry Ranger Industries. Why did I never know this book existed? Because I'd have had this a long time ago. This is so cool. So you know what I'm going to do? I just have to remember where I put it. It's gotta be. Oh. Ooh, do, 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 do. Okay. Y'all are like, what are you doing, Tina? What are you doing, Tina? I am looking for this. That's what I'm looking for. You're all like, what is this? This is one of my prized possessions. And let's see, I don't even remember when I got it. I won it last Christmas, 2023, I'm pretty sure. As you see, if you open it, and it's all nicely in a bag. Because if you open it, this is made by Diane. Here I'll be like, well, whatever. But ready? Bam! I won it when she had made a card for each 12 days of Christmas, and if you commented, you got put in a drawing, and I won her autograph. So, I've kept it in the original envelope. See, Diane Rivalry right there. And in this plastic. I was going to put it in a frame, but I didn't want to wreck it, so I kind of just left it in here. In the same envelope, because I like the fact that it came from overseas. In the United Kingdom, 12 Fireway Drive, Emmy Rivalry, and then the address is probably their business, and then The signature Emmy right there. So I'm going to tuck that in my book. So that's all I got for you, but isn't this awesome? Oh my God, I just love it. Like I said, if I'd have known this was out a long time ago, I got her one book. Oh, it's over here. Her direct, or the one with, you know, how to do things. I know she's revamping it because I heard her say that on a video not too long, so I'm going to have to buy a new one. Another one. And if you're all like, what are you talking about, Tina? Hang on, I'll show you in a second. Where are you, Diane? Book. Where are you? I just moved all my books, so. Oh. That's my magazines. There it is. Right here. This Illusion, a Guide for Art Journaling. She's revamping this book. She's updating it, I guess, my understanding. So, this is where I learned a lot of her techniques. So if you really want a mixed media book that's really good, this one does the trick. This is where I learned a lot and understood a lot as reading this and learning the different techniques and how to do it and how she shows to do it, and building layers and scribbling layers, you know, pastels. Even if I go off the filter a little bit, which is fine. And she says that in her classes too, because I've done some. I did a lot of her classes during COVID, and it's okay to make it your own and kind of learn and then add your own little spin to it. Just go with that. So. And then, as you know, I have over. Oh, let's see. My book's right here. Me and Sabrina are doing Dizzy Delusional Thursday. We do Mad Medium, Mixed Media on Monday, and then I pick a stamp, and then we use that stamp on Thursday to create with the page we make. So what I did, because Sabrina doesn't have as many stamps, and I only do this because of the friends, I'll stamp the image and I'll send it to her. I do not resell it, so I'm just sharing it. But I have, and I realized I found 2 more stamps the other day. I have over 135 stamps of hers. And as you can see, these are rubber stamps. And then when I say clear, is that they're the clear ones that like Tuesday morning. We're getting this in there, and then Tree Topper was a rubber stamp. That's why I don't have clear. I marked them so I knew where to find them in my craft room. But yep. And then I have Art Barley Mirror, Marlene, Jane Davenport, Dina Winkley. I have, but as you can see, I like Delusion. And I have a wish list again. Yeah, I'm missing a lot of her stamps. That's what I collect of hers. I collect more of her stamps than any item I have is her stamps. So I want to thank you for watching. I hope you found this enjoyable. I'm loving my book, which is so cool. Like I said, I can't believe I didn't have this already. I don't know where I missed it or how I missed it. But I did. But now I have it. So thank you, my husband. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.